That's it, guys. Push it hard as possible. Nice, guys. Push, push, push. Fight through that lactic acid. Come on. That's bad. Touch and go. Hard as you can. You're 1 minute in, Matt. 2 minutes left. Come on. Push, push, push. Touch and go. Keep that up. Keep it up. Touch and go. 1 minute down, guys. 2 to go. Push. Hard as you can. Get those split times down. Split time under 2, Case. Come on. Nice. Try to get back to that sub 150. Nice job. That's me. Push it. Push it. Come on, guys. Push. Halfway through. Minute and a half left. Good. Keep that tall torso. Come on, Matt. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Let's go. You got a minute 15 left. Go. Hit it.